Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making watermelon juice. You will need a big watermelon. Oops, this one had a mold, but I managed to cut off the moldy part. As you can see, the rest of the watermelon was just fine. The next step is to cut the watermelon, the red part, into chunks like this size. This way it will be easy to process over the grater. And in this video I'm showing you the grater method. For those who do not have a blender and you have a grater sitting in your kitchen, this will be the best method for you. I will post another video with the blender method, but in the moment you just wanna have a nice sauce, watermelon sauce that looks like this. And you take your sieve and then you pour your watermelon sauce in it, and then after this you can start to press through the watermelon pulp in the sieve. And this is the fun part. You get your hand to squeeze through the watermelon, which is really satisfying and really nice to do, but make sure your hands are washed if you're gonna serve it to other people. And this is the end result, and it's ready to drink. I'm just gonna take a sip. That was delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to support the growth of my channel and like the video. If already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post.